Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to keep your hotspot always on your Android device, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. Open up your settings app. For that, you can access your Android device settings. And then once you access your settings, you can go over to the connection section. So tap on connections, network or internet, depending upon your phone. And once you go to your connections, you can go over and look out for the mobile hotspot and tethering section. Once you find it up, tap on it and that should make you access to your mobile hotspot. So you can just go over and find this option and turn it on. Once you turn it on, you need to turn off your Wi-Fi for that so you can confirm it up. And once you confirm it up, the mobile hotspot should be turned on your device. So tap on mobile hotspot, and when you do, there you'll be finding your network name, your password, etc. And here you can just go over and turn this option on or find the settings that says timeout turn off when no devices are connected. You can just go over and do so. So what happens is when you do so, it will be turned on for a longer duration. You can just go over and do so if that option is available. Usually until you turn it off, the network should be connecting on your Android. And that's it. Sometimes the carrier may have restrictions for that. So even with the settings changed, you can check your carrier settings and contact them to be sure. And that is it, everybody. So you may follow up this process if you want to keep your hotspot on your Android device. So make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.